Hi everybody, a little something about DIY here in East Malaysia. I'm mounting something on a wood column, and there's a couple different approaches. This is just an anchor bolt. Now when pre-drilling an anchor bolt, you want to make sure that you don't drill so big that the threads won't bite. So drill small, then try it. Drill a little larger, try it. Then you want to test anchor the bolt all the way in. What I learned about these bolts is this last little bit is super thick. So you're going to have to pre-drill that last centimeter or so a little bit bigger than the rest of the hole going the rest of the way down the anchor bolt. Otherwise you'll get to that last little bit and you're going to have a wrench on there and you're going to be cranking and cranking and cranking until you snap the bolt right off. And that's really bad. So you might need two different size drill bits. One for this part of the bolt and one for this part. Now with this, you need one size drill bit. But this is really for concrete. And people say, well, you know, you're supposed to use plastic anchors and all that stuff. Yeah, you'd use a plastic anchor for this if you were trying to put this into concrete, which is terrible. But what you should be doing is using binary epoxy. Mix it together, squish it into the hole, then smush this into the hole, or this and your plastic anchor into the hole, and that'll probably last 10 years or until the wall crumbles. So there are ways to make things really strong when you're anchoring stuff. You just need to take your time and work it through.